Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel and to a snowy Ohio weather day. I wanted to share something with you guys. Sometimes certain people are particular on driving certain vehicles only certain seasons, right, of the year. I'm the type of person that if I have any type of car, I'm gonna enjoy it 24/7. Rain, snow, whatever be the case, right? And then of course your normal sunny day. Now my 2008 335i just has all season tires on it. It is not the greatest in snow being rear-wheel drive because of the all-season tires. I need to really do some winter tires on it if I drive it more kind of thing, but it is what it is. It's not the greatest in snow. However, my 2016 BMW M5, I do have winter tires front and rear. It has Pirelli Soto Zero, the stock 343 wheels. So it does have the stock specs tires, 265/35 20s in the front, 295/30 20s in the rear. Now, the reason why I did winter tires in general was not because I need to drive this 24/7 in the winter time, as like my daily driver. I already have an SUV that I drive, you know, mostly in the winter kind of thing with the family and kids and all that kind of stuff. But I wanted winter tires so that way I can enjoy this car when it's more so not snowing and the ground temps are extremely cold. You can't run summer tires in, you know, 20 degrees or 10 degrees or whatever, anything really below 50 degrees out there. I wanted to still enjoy it because in Ohio, it doesn't snow all that much. It does sometimes, but like I said, want to be able to enjoy it. 100 pounds of salt in the back, just kind of keep the rear end down. But this hooks beautifully in dry 20-degree pavement, you know, getting on it and stuff like that, with it being tuned. And of course, the Project Gamma intakes on the car. So it handles the power just fine with those tires. Let's get this out of the garage and let's see some snow on it. Car did great, of course, you know, through the snow, just as you saw, with some weight in the back. And I have a full-time, you know, SUV that I drive when it's like really snow, and you know, when we get a lot of snow. So if I get stuck on some snow in this car, at least I know I can manage to get back where I came from. And really, that's really the point. I guess probably the number one benefit fun I like to have, you know, just hammer it right when you turn down a nice open road and it's 29 degrees outside. And as always, so when you're driving a high-powered car, and you have winter tires on it, it's dry, you need to make sure, and you're careful, of course. PSA, you have to know what the car is gonna do, of course, and not get too carried away, because you never know. So just really kind of finishing this off, you know, enjoying your BMW 365 days a year, really so you can make it the ultimate driving machine. That's what I'm all about. And you know, I just like enjoying a car. If I have it, I'm gonna enjoy it no matter what. So big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other DIY videos I have on the car. Some cool stuff coming for the 335i. I think you'll be impressed. And it was much voted on from you guys, the viewer, what I need to do to this car. So that will be coming here this way. So let me know how the weather is in your area down in the comments section below, and I'll chat with you guys here next time. Take care.